8 San Diegans living with Parkinson's disease have teamed up with scientists at Scripps Research Institute for an experimental procedure that will utilize their own stem cells to replace damaged brain cells. The patients are so dedicated to the research, they've literally climbed mountains to raise money to keep this unusual study going. Joining me are Dr. Melissa Hauser, co-researcher of the project, and Cassandra Peters, a participant in the study. Thank you both for being here.
Thank you. Thank you.
Dr. Hauser, now this study uses adult stem cells derived from the patient's own skin. This is not the same as embryonic stem cells. How do you get adult skin cells to turn into stem cells?
Well, we take a biopsy of the skin, we put it in a petri dish, and we engineer the cell to devolve into a stem cell. A stem cell can turn into any cell it wants to turn into, which is how we grow organs, grow hair, grow bones. Well, this particular study uses genetic engineering to turn that stem cell into a brain cell. And not only a brain cell, but a brain cell that produces a chemical called dopamine.
Let's talk about that. So we've got you've taken the biopsy. We've transformed these to revert them back to stem cells that can change into other cells in the body. Now you're going to put this in the brain. Tell us why these stem cells, why you'd want to put them in the brain for Parkinson's patients.
In Parkinson's disease, there's an area of the brain called the substantia nigra, which is on the stem of the brain that connects it to the spinal cord. That makes a chemical called dopamine. The dopamine is a chemical that the cells talk to each other through this neurotransmitter. Parkinson's disease patients lack dopamine, and so the stem cells are now producing dopamine, and we're just giving back the brain what it's chemically lacking.
Okay, and we're going to come back to that in the study and how far you've gone on that, but I want to talk to you, Cassandra. Now, it's been 13 years since you found out you had Parkinson's. Mm-hmm. How did you know? Were there symptoms?
Oh, yes. First symptom was a tremor, my left hand and arm. There was weakness, depression, horrible depression, a whole lot of different symptoms, but we weren't absolutely certain that it was Parkinson's until 2005.
And how did you find out about this study?
The study?
Mm-hmm.
Through the Parkinson's Association of San Diego. I was actually given a tour of the Scripps lab, and I talked about it with Dr. Hauser at my next appointment.
Decided to join that. Now, Dr. Hauser, let's talk about what stage of research you're in now. You started with that. What have you done so far on this study?
Right now we're doing a pilot study. We've recruited 8 patients. We've already biopsied their skin, and their cells are all growing in petri dishes. We've got 2 lines that are ready to be investigated in rodents. And once we prove that that's safe and efficacious, then we can approach the FDA and grant money.
Yeah, and that's one major issue with this. So you're in the very, very early stages, and it's going to take a while before human clinical trials. But tell us about funding. Who is funding this research right now?
Funding is a joint project between this organization called Summit for Stem Cells, which is a private organization that climbs mountains, and you sponsor a mountain climber, in partnership with our nonprofit, the Parkinsons Association of San Diego.
So far, some donors, but not enough, evidently.
Right.
Because, and I'm saying that because, Cassandra, now, typically patients in research studies don't collaborate as closely as you do with the researchers. Mm-hmm. They certainly don't typically help raise money for their own research, but your group is doing that. Tell us about the hike up Mount Kilimanjaro.
Well, Sherry Gould, who is Dr. Hauser's nurse practitioner, had a wonderful idea. She said that she wanted to climb Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa to raise funds and raise awareness for this type of science. And
these are Parkinson's patients who are going to climb a mountain.
I believe there were 16 people that participated. Everyone got to the summit, including the Parkinson's patients. So that was a huge inspiration, I think, for the rest of us.
This is inspiration, certainly, and I want to end with this. What would you say to people, and Cassandra, why don't we ask you, who say, look, these are experimental studies, this is offering false hope, we don't know where this is going to go?
No, it's not false hope. When this works, when this procedure is approved and has happened, it will absolutely revolutionize medicine, and that is partially my goal in all this.
Alrighty, there's a whole lot more on our website. Cassandra and Dr. Hauser, thank you so much for this update.
Thank you, Peggy.
Thank you.